Welcome to Season 2 of Biome Dating. I'm your guest host, Daniel Attenberger. Our journey for love begins with a snow leopard. Will they find the biome of their dreams? Let's find out.
So my upcoming date is on Mars. There's no way that's gonna work. Just too much water, too warm, and I don't. Not looking forward to this.
Our snow leopard isn't too optimistic about this. Perhaps our marsh can persuade him otherwise. Before we begin, a note from our editing team. If you notice voices that aren't coming from our two speakers, we sincerely apologize. We did the best we could.
Okay. So tell me about you.
Okay, so I'm warm throughout the whole year. I'm humid.
Mainly up in March, so a lot of
I have a lot of biodiversity throughout the whole.
A bystander takes the opportunity to observe the courtship process. Wave hello, everybody.
Biome also ranges. There are plenty of places, so if you don't want to move continents, you can stay in the same continent. The biome like ranges. I have a lot of. I have a lot of.
I have a lot of
What am I?
animals, including mammals.
Mammal prey is especially appealing to a snow leopard. Let's see if that's enough to win him over.
If you're not a social animal, there's also a lot of.
My favorite one is the white
Be by yourself.
Just walking around.
Sounds like my favorite thing.
Temperatures and everything. I have a lot of
What's your diet, bro?
really tall cypress trees, and my system likes to work putting together. So the birds and the alligators like to communicate a lot.
Mammals?
They have
We have a lot of small mammals in
where some of those
our
small
biome.
birds would come in to clean the alligators.
I don't know.
Well, they get
Yeah, we have rabbits,
leftovers.
and we have a lot of land.
Nice. It's like a little.
Yeah, we do have a lot of meerkat. Like a personal day. Yeah, and they usually there's a large population of them, so you won't have to like walk around for a long time. So
Right next to the river,
and
it's also pretty shallow.
there's also a lot of
So
humans
it
that
depends. My
travel through our biome.
it depends.
So if you see them, you don't have to be scared they're not gonna harm you or anything.
So what type of
They could, and if you just see anything, if you just see them like holding anything sharp,
yeah.
just run.
Have a little bit
Yeah,
of everything.
you'll stay safe. Also, it's better to like be with a large group of animals so that they won't mess with you.
Oh, it's pretty like flat. There
Yeah,
aren't
that's
any
about
like
it.
mountains.
This here could be a deal breaker. Snow leopards prefer steep, mountainous terrain.
One of the dumbest assignments ever. Can you tell me more about what kind of animals you have to hunt?
Yeah, so I have a lot of birds, including egrets, heroines, the great heron, which is a very big one in Florida, and then that's for cattails, pine flatwoods, and this really cool one with the small mouth and the sawfish.
Do you get any snow in the area?
It's a very hot and warm climate.
Record like a video of like
It's actually
saying
very extremely
what we have to
warm.
offer to
According to it, like seasonal things, because to keep any invasive predators from coming.
Sadly, our marsh's attempts were futile. Flat terrain, a warm climate, and an invasive problem are all deal breakers for our snow leopard. In the end, they couldn't be together. This concludes our first episode of Season 3 of Biome Dating. I'm Daniel Attenberger, signing off.
So, what do you have to I have an ocean. I have water. the other thing. I have fish. Lots of fish. I have
I will say that. Lots of trees, lots of foliage,
and
lots of space too.
more fish.
That's what living in Siberia is like.
Climate. We can. I can have a climate of tropical weather, but I can also have cold, like the Arctic
Water
Ocean.
around here. It rains about once
I can fit the needs.
However, some of it will be a bit close and solid.
Exactly. I'm so versatile.
Hope you bring a coat.
I have lots of biodiversity, lots of plants, lots of animals. Any climate you
Probably under the snow, there's a lot of grass. I will say that.
If I needed to like nest somewhere, would you have like a place for me to do that?
Probably. We could make something work with
Migratory animals and all that stuff. Always moving around. Yeah,
environmental.
probably wouldn't stay long.
Well, we have lots of pollution and coral
And then move on
bleaching,
to the next big area.
but we can resolve that.
Society, not like food and drink.
We can combat it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And there's climate change. If you like hot weather,
Have a lot of trees, and underneath that
Perfect
stuff,
for you.
a lot of grass.
perfect for you too. We have the Arctic. We got penguins there too. Lots of ice. You could nest on the ice.
The only thing that's going to heat up around that area is the sun.
And I'm 4
It heats
billion
up
years old.
everywhere. It's not like it's mutually exclusive in the zone.
What else do you need? That's basically it. Okay. Yeah, you should come to the ocean. You should know where.
You know, those type of animals. Think of
Hey, I'm Shrublandia. I am the best biome because I have shrubs, I have water, I have moist winters and dry summers. So I am the best ever. So, my name is Shrubby C. I'm anonymous. You can't know who I am. But when we get to know each other, I'll eventually figure it out. Yeah. And once we, yeah. So, but you get to know me now. Yeah. I'm Shrubby C. I'm a shrubland chaparral who's looking for love. I'm found on mountainous terrain with high elevation, but I move around a lot. Like, you don't find me in just one place. I'm kind of a little scared of heights, you know, so like. But that's okay because, you know, sometimes I can be on lower elevations. I'm usually along the longitude and latitude lines of 35 and 40 degrees north. I'm gonna pretend like I know what that is. I'm gonna pretend like I know. Yeah, you do. Interesting facts about me is my typical annual rainfall ranges from 16 to 25 inches, so it's pretty unpredictable if I'm being honest, but like you said, that can be just spontaneous of me. And if you like to do little things on the go, like I will be there for you. I honestly have hot, dry summers and like wet winters, so if you don't want me for the dry summers, you can have me for my wet winters. My temperatures usually range from 15 to 30 degrees Celsius during the summer, and then cooler winters like that range from 40 to 20 degrees Celsius. So you can have a little bit of both. If you like the winter, if you like the summer, you have a little bit of both. I give back to the community, and I allow species like woodpeckers, jackrabbits, coyotes, etc. to live with me because they need a home. We all need a home. And what's wrong with giving back? My ideal partner is someone who's really good at taking care of shrubs, obviously, such as toyo, cherries, protea plants, and poison oak. Although I can be hard to handle, although it's a little bit difficult to handle me, eucalyptus trees, protea plants, and poison oak. Although I can be hard to handle, although it's a little bit difficult to handle me, eucalyptus trees, yucca trees, and olive trees all survive in my biome. So it just proves that like you can survive with me. We can be long term or short term.
I'm looking for long term.
Long term,
Yeah.
understood.
I feel like I'm a little tall, you know.
Okay.
I'm a little
No, you don't.
tall.
A little bit.
So I need some trees, you know, to spice it up.
I mean,
I
hey,
maybe
it's
don't
not
have
just
as
over,
many trees,
baby.
more shrubs, but if you can reach up, you can probably reach down. I provide an ecosystem that aids in flood hazard reduction, sediment retention, and supplies water to all animals, and making it perfect for fauna like California nature.
I mean, this package is a little picky.
Yeah, so I'm honestly, I could be good for both of your worlds. I am good for everything. My challenge is urban development has destroyed some of my biome and my plant life, making it harder for me to retain mammals and birds, and because so many roads and paths are being built all over me. I need someone who's going to be able to help me regulate these invasive species and maintain productivity in my area with periodic brush mowing and sustainable land use practices.
Well, I am good at controlling vegetation.
Well, that's great for me because
I'm good at that.
I definitely need that. It would help with pollination and everything. It would be great. So what about you?
Well, as I said, I'm looking for, you know, long term, you know. I like, you know, arid places, you know, with open spaces.
Because I'm pretty arid. I'm pretty open.
And, you know, just need some, you know, vegetation, you know, some tall ones, you know, because I'm a little tall. And, you know, as long as I have water, you know.
I definitely have water sources available. I actually help with flood hazard reduction and supplying water to animals. That's one of
As long as I have water and tall vegetation, you know, like, I'm good. You know? I also help out because I control vegetation and I disperse seeds around.
So it would be great because I actually need that in my biome. That's something that I really need in a partner. And long term, that would definitely help me.
You know, like, we benefit each other, you know?
Exactly. Yeah. This is 7 minutes long, and we still have like 3 more minutes.
No, we have 20 seconds.
Oh. Are you leaving with me?
Yeah, I'll say yes.
Yeah. Second date. Second date. Woo!
Oh, was I in heaven the whole time?
I hope not. I think we're visible though.
Okay.
Hey, so this is the happy couple.
We're a pretty good match.
Yeah, we're a pretty good match because
I'm a giraffe, actually.
Yeah,
Let me clarify.
as a giraffe,
Yeah.
she would help me in my shrubland with seed dispersal, and I will
She has
provide
trees,
for,
you know?
Yeah,
She has
and-
trees, she has water,
exactly.
you know, all the things I need.
And I would provide for her with the water,
Exactly.
with the vegetation.
And I help out with, you know, the seed dispersal,
She
stuff
needs
like
an arid
that.
space, and
I control the vegetation.
exactly. She needs an arid space. I could be that for her.
You know?
So that's the match, and we're.
This person gets a 6.
I feel like I'm actually gonna hate this place because it has nothing that I want, and the habitat just kind of sucks. So. Oh hey.
That is good.
Wait, do I sit over there or over here?
Like, are you ready?
I don't know. Oh, okay.
You mind it? Oh, I like that. Oh, this I like for sure. Yo, babe, you can't use my comb like that, you know that, babe? Hey, relax.
Oh, 5 minutes. Hi.
Okay, so I'm a river.
Oh, we need to
There's water.
Okay, yeah. Can we start recording now?
Okay.
Alright, so like I record, like what do we do? What are you talking about? Okay, yeah, you can't figure it out.
So there's a lot of animals, all types. I have a lot of
You start talking?
In case you like I can be in mountains and forests, like everywhere. And I can either be really cold, ice caps, or really hot, like animals. I can learn a little bit. Oh, food? Okay. So there's a lot of animals that take shelter in my waters. I have a lot of biodiversity in them. There's a lot of plants, fauna, so it's the same thing. There's kingfish in there. There's lots of prey that you can prey on. I don't know.
They don't have any
like what you
tree
are,
nuts in it, right?
but
Thank you.
Whatever type of water you need, I got you. Yeah. Any questions?
No. But wait, can I tell you what anime I am?
Is that cool?
Or no? Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, I don't think I would love your environment because I hate the colds. Like I do not thrive in the colds. I love like the heat. The type of animal I like are usually herbivores and like large animals. I don't like fish or stuff like that. That won't fill me up.
Ready? You got a
Right,
question?
of course.
So
Yeah, we'll start.
I don't really. I mean, I don't hate you, but like you're not my fave. Hi. So basically, our date sucked. Their environment was not fit for me. They didn't have the food I wanted. They didn't have the temperature I wanted. And it. Okay, so I'm in the tropical rainforest. It's usually like wet year round. I have a lot of different types of animals that like live here. It's pretty easy to adapt to because of like the biodiversity. What else? If you don't like the humid temperature, then you probably wouldn't like here. And yeah, I mean that's basically pretty much it.
Do you have any ice?
No,
No ice.
zero ice.
A lot of water though, right?
Yeah.
So is it like type of rain, or do you have like a pond or a lake nearby?
I mean, there's a lot of like little streams throughout it. It rains a lot 'cause it's like a rainforest. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Oh, do you know like the temperature that it ranges between?
It definitely does not go below like 60 degrees.
Yeah, that is a problem.
Oh, okay. So you guys feeling it? No.
I mean, I have like a lot of fur, and
Yeah, this is too warm.
humid and warm is not like good for me.
Oh, so you guys aren't vibing with the rainforest?
Not really.
I like the cold and the sun.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys like polar bears or something? Oh, okay. Okay. Damn. Okay. Guess it doesn't work. So we were in a match.
Unfortunately, I was a polar bear and she was rainforest, so
Yeah, the temperature just wasn't right for her. I didn't have the food she eats.
I eat seals. Like what?
I don't have seals, so it just wasn't gonna work out.
Hello everyone, what is up? My name is Rafael Acosta, but the ladies can call me Rafa. I'm the next participant in Biome Blind Day, and we're gonna kill it tonight. Alright everyone, here on a first good date, but I'm not really liking what I see, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I mean, this date, it be looking good, but the problem is, it's too hot for me. Like, the climate's way too hot for like me, you know what I'm saying? And like, and its trees are lacking, you know, like the trees don't got what I want and what I got, and like that's just a no-no for me, like, you know, and I can't have that, you know, like for like a good like animal like me, like, you know what I'm saying? And like, so hey, how you doing? Good, that's good. So yeah, if y'all know about me, like, so let's sing. I have thick forests. I have very coniferous trees and spruces and spurs and all that. The good stuff, you know, for the environment, you know. I got broad leaves and I'm very protective of my animals, you know, like the animal. And I have a very good climate. I can drop as low as 50 degrees Celsius. And in growing seasons, I only average around 100 days per year. And, you know, yeah, and my soil is very nutritious, you know what I'm saying? I can allow you to survive. So, but that's enough of me. Tell me about you. We're here for.
I need an environment that's kind of hot. Trees are definitely important. Type of trees. What types of trees are here?
We got spruces, pine trees, firs, and other types of trees, you know? Oh, okay.
You know those small humans taken away from
What type of plants do you have?
Oh, plants. Let's see. You want my flora? So, like, by flora, I got. Wait a minute. Hold up. It's really what I mentioned before. Like, I don't really have. I'm not really a plant individual. I'm more of a tree individual. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So you don't have any flowers or anything like that?
I mean, we do. I do. Another type of tree I got is linchin, which grows on the conifer trees. But really, I'm more of a tree person than a flower person. You know what I'm saying?
Do you have any type of insects?
Insects. Yeah, we do. Like, we have a variety. Like, no specific insect that I have, just variety. You know. Okay, alright. I like that. Right. Yeah, some dates, you know? Like, you go on dates, sometimes you hit, sometimes you miss. But yeah, did I miss? I wouldn't say so, you know? Like, cause this is the thing. I'm an animal that I have my needs, and you know, like, I need my eucalyptus, and I don't do humid and I'm moist, so like, as good looking as those biomes were, because they really were good looking, you know? But like, it's just, them biomes aren't for me, you know? And like, I'm an animal that has its needs, and until next time with my dates.